Hey YouTube, it's Erin and I am the handbag housewife and I'm back again to do another video. I'm wearing anchors and flotation devices today because I really wish that the weather would get better. It's drizzling rain outside and probably about 50-55 degrees here, and so it's definitely not summertime. But I do have a summertime bag that I plan to unbox for you here in just a moment. In fact, I've been feeling the summertime bag vibe for the last week or so, and pardon the noise in the background, that is the lawnmower. So not only will I be showing you a summertime bag today, but also tomorrow, I believe. We'll see. We'll see if UPS comes through. So without further ado, I'm going to cut open this box from eBay. I didn't discover that I liked this style of bag until after this particular version of it was all gone. So just to start with, I'm really liking this eBay seller because look how well they packaged this. They found a box that fit it just right, and they put air paper in so it wouldn't bounce up and down. This bag has enough structure that it doesn't really need much padding as long as it has the right size box and it's not crammed in there wrong. Okay, here we go. I'm liking it from my end over here. One of my favorite colors with Coach is ivory, and this is the Upwoven filled tote in the ivory color for the trim, but the rest of the bag is woven leather. It's got strips of leftover leather from all different types of bags. And when I initially saw the stock photo for this bag, there were strips of blues and other colors in there, and I didn't love it. But whenever I saw this one on eBay, I basically got to see what I was going to get, because I think there might be some variation in the patterns and the colors that are used for the leather. Right off the bat, I'm gonna tell you that this feels really good. I wondered about that too, if it would be scratchy, and no, it's not. It feels sort of like a suede, and that's probably because if you look closely, you're getting, I think, some of the back side of these leather strips, or perhaps they are suede. I don't know what exactly was used for each strip of leather, but I'm seeing mostly cool tones on the back here. Well, I guess on both sides, I'm seeing some light greens, like a mint green. I'm seeing grays, I'm seeing taupes, and a little bit of dark taupe up here. I'm loving it. It's sort of a little bit crooked, it appears, because if you look at this line, there's more up here than there is over here. On the back side, it's not that way, so perhaps I'll make the back side the front side, if you know what I mean. But it's a gorgeous bag. I will give it that. It has 4 feet on the bottom, just like all the other filled totes. And the one thing I did not like about this particular bag was that the inside was so light in color. But this is also different. The inside of all of my other filled totes are like a suede inside. And this is more of a cottony twill type fabric, and it has a great big zipper pocket. All the filled totes have a zipper pocket. And I did ask the seller to show me the magnet being closed, because I like for the magnets to close on these bags, and this magnet does close. It's not a strong magnet, but some of the magnets on the filled totes just don't close at all, and I don't like that. So looking at this, like I said, it's a little bit crooked on the top. I do think I like that side maybe a little better than this side. It's a nice thing, it's reversible. You can choose which side you like best. What do you think? Do you like this pattern better? Or do you like this pattern better? Because honestly, I don't care what side my pocket's on, so I don't think the bag has a front and a back. Let's look at the sides. Same beautiful random pattern on both sides. There we go. The corners are all good. I can't tell you how much I love ivory leather. And of course, I have all sorts of straps to wear better ivory that could potentially go with this bag, but I love this strap that it comes with. It has almost, it's a beige, but it has almost a pink undertone to it, and it just, wow, that's all I can say. It looks great. I'm gonna try her on for you. This is not the outfit I would wear this bag with, but hey, it doesn't look bad. And actually, I'm wearing these Hey Dude shoes today, which you guys know I love Hey Dudes, but they have this creamy corduroy on the back and then like a gray suede, and they really can pull out the colors within the bag. I also have this pair that I could wear. See, it just really looks beachy. One of my friends told me that this bag was heavy. She had the size 30, this is the 22, and she said hers was heavy. And I believe it. I mean, the leather is all woven in there, so I guess with all the strips of leather that could weigh more than just one single piece of leather, because you have all those stitches to add to the weight. But for me, I feel like it's light enough. I have no issues with the weight on the bag. So considering I got this from a eBay seller and I'm not gonna return it, I would only resell it if I wasn't happy with it, unless it had a defect, and then I would return it. I couldn't be more pleased. She's the right weight. I don't see any damage. It's got the tag on it. And by the way, the original retail price was $450. And I believe I paid $293. So I got a nice discount, around a little over 30%, especially if you consider taxes. And I love her. And I'm gonna spray the heck out of her with Apple Guard, because I think that this type of leather with, especially like these bits that have a rough texture to them, so I think it's the back side of the leather, are really gonna pick up dirt. So Apple Guard or Colonel Carbon Pro, I recommend both of those, and I can link those down in my description box. Future Erin here, I'm gonna put my glasses on so that I can read about this just a little bit. It says, the bag is crafted from upcycled scraps from our previous collection. The fibers may rub onto clothing with wear. So just FYI, spraying the bag with Colonel Carbon Pro will not only protect the bag, but it'll protect your clothes too from being rubbed on. So I'm glad I read that. It says that basically they're making this and it reflects their commitment to rethinking, reducing their impact on the planet. Wear it, love it, repair it, pass it on. Coach is doing a Reloved line where they're taking bags that people don't want anymore and fixing them up and selling them again. And I support that when they do something cool with it, but some of the stuff they do is awful. I'll try to insert a few clips if I can, well, not clips, I'll try to insert a few photos of things that they're doing that maybe I like, and then also maybe that I don't like. I'll do the ones that I like here. So those were some of the better options, but then there's also some of these that I don't like, and I'll insert those here. Okay, so you see what I mean? Sometimes they just don't hardly even do anything to a bag, but they charge you way more. And it's like, okay, I could buy this currently on the website, in some cases brand new, or I can pay for the Reloved version for more money. Makes no sense. They're Looney Tunes over there at Coach. Okay, so the final tag to read may just be in a different language, but let me double check. Yes, we've got one language. We've got two languages. We have 3 languages. They are really hoping that all the people in the world, well, at least 3 of the languages that people speak in the world, will be able to read about this bag. Back to your regular programming. So tell me what you guys think. Do you like her? And I will tell you, I might have another field tote on the way, and it's totally different. So I can't wait to show you that one too. These are just fun bags. I like them because they just curve into my body. They're lightweight and they're petite enough, but they hold so much more than what you would think. So I'm Erin, and I'm the Handbag Housewife. And if you like seeing videos like this about handbags and sometimes even fashion, please give my video a big thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. If you do like content like this, make sure to also click the notification bell so that you can get alerts and notifications for my upcoming videos. Thanks so much for spending some time with me today, and have a fabulous weekend. Bye.